So I know y'all think I'm crazy, but I'm telling you, I saw a UFO. I saw it go up and down. Pay attention real close to the video. And baby, say hello.
Hello.
Say, hola.
Hola.
¿Cómo tú estás?
Bien.
No, ¿cómo tú estás?
Hola, ¿cómo te estás? Bien.
Oh, estás. Yeah.
Estás.
Okay, yeah, but check this video out. I think I got a UFO. I always be looking in the sky, but I was looking at the kites and looking at the kids. They call it chichiwas in the Dominican Republic. And I got a UFO. I zoomed over to the right and I was like, what is that shiny thing? And look how small it is. And look how it moves up and then it goes down and it goes straight. I couldn't follow it because they have a house to the right of me and I couldn't follow it. But anyway, check out the video. I think it's a UFO. Y'all look at it. It was probably headed to the United States. Check it out. Bye-bye.
A veces chillo no.
Dame chillo y da.
Esta fija tuya.
Papá, sí, mi amor.
Sí, déjame ver. Un solo.
Uno más.
Oh, dame dos.
Gracias. ¿Cuánto?
¿Cómo están? 40.
50.
Oh.
Gracias.
Gracias.
Mira.
All right, so Dominga got some stuff for me from her house, and her daughter, excuse me, it's her son. Excuse me. So, this is so pretty. It's antique, the old look. I love it. Do you like it?
Kind of.
maybe I'm old school or something. Maybe I love it. Your mom did a good job. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Gracias. Oh, excúsame. Gracias. Yeah. Perfecto. Gracias. Okay. Guau, guau, guau. Okay, guau, guau. Okay, guau, guau, guau. All right, we got a washing machine. Look at this, y'all. Yes. Muy bueno. I like. Me gusta. Propane. ¿Cómo se dice? Propane. Propane.
El tanque.
¿Cómo se dice?
Un tanque de gas.
Propane. Ok. Gracias. All right, our refrigerator. Dominga has an extra refrigerator. Salad. Y'all know if I try to pick that up, I'll be in the hospital immediately. Okay, vamos.
Lleva su casa. Después lleva su casa. Vamos a poner una tijera. Sol.
Negro.
¿Qué quiere decir el chico? Baby, tú me tienes empujado. Cris está loca.
It's completo. We're gonna do a lot of videos on that stove. Yeah.
Perfect.
Perfecto.
Yeah.